Hey class, hi, hello, namaste, adab, sat sri akal, assalamu alaikum, vanakkam, and khamma ghani to all of you. Welcome to today's class, and we are starting today's surface area and volume. Right. So in this part, we'll be studying about the cones and spheres. So we'll be talking about today about the shape cone, and we'll talk about its curved surface area, we'll talk about its total surface area, we'll talk about its volume. Okay, and in the next session we'll be talking about the sphere. Okay, so that is what we are going to do today. So once again, welcome to the class, and do like the video and share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you are new here, because we are getting with the new classes every day. We are coming with new classes. So as you all know, I have told you that we'll be talking about the cone. So what is a cone? But you can understand the shape cone, ice cream cone you must have seen, right? So that is the shape cone looks like. That is how the shape cone looks like. So what they are saying, how can I form a cone? We are saying that suppose if I have this triangle ABC, and if I keep this part fixed and I rotate this triangle, so I am going to get a shape which will look like a cone. So if we revolve a right angle triangle about one of its sides by taking other as its axis, then the solid shape formed is known as a right circular cone. So if we rotate a right angle triangle along its perpendicular or base, okay, we will get the shape of a cone. That is your cone part. So this is how your cone is formed. Okay, rotate a triangle on one of its side, either perpendicular or this perpendicular sides. Any one of the sides, rotate a right angle triangle, you will get your cone. Now, if you will see here, in a cone, if you will see clearly, there are three important measurements. One is your r, small r, that is r which is equal to radius of base. Okay, the second important thing is this height AB. So this h is called height, and this part AC, that is called small l, which means slant height. Okay, which means slant height. So these are the three important measurements. For example, in the cylinder, radius and height is important. For cuboid, length, breadth and height is important. So in this way, there are three things important: length, height, slant height, height and radius. Now if you will see this ABC, if you look at this triangle ABC, it is a right angle triangle, right? Height is always perpendicular to the radius. Height is always perpendicular to the radius. So here in the cone, you will see a right angle triangle like this. So using Pythagoras theorem, I can clearly say L square is equal to h square plus r square. L square is equal to h square plus r square. Now you need to understand that in these cone question, out of these three, slant height, height and radius, they will give you any two and you have to find out the third one, which we can easily do using this Pythagoras theorem. Right. Now the second important thing is your curved surface area and total surface area. So to understand that, let's look at this bottle. Okay. If I talk about the total surface area means area of all the surfaces. So all these surfaces which I am seeing over here, all these surfaces plus the area of the top plus the area of the bottom. That is your total surface area. Now the curved surface area is that from this total surface area, remove the area of the top and remove the area from the bottom. Okay, so in curved surface area, we do not include the area of the top and area of the bottom. Rest all the area we do consider. Right. So I can say very well one important thing, that total surface area, okay, is equal to curved surface area means area of all the surfaces except top and bottom. So in total, if I have to get total surface area, I can say, sir, this curved surface area plus add the area of top, area of bottom. That is the only missing part. So plus area of top plus area of bottom. Right. This will be the formula, and it is true for all the shapes. Every time understanding will be developed from this part only. Now the formula for CSA, remember, is equal to pi RL. See very closely, it includes the slant height L, slant height. So pi into radius into slant height. Now if I talk about TSA, so TSA as I know is CSA plus area of top plus area of bottom. So CSA I know is pi r L. Now let's talk about the area of the top. So if I look at the top over here, the top is a point. If it is a point, there is no area. Area is 0. So area of top is 0 in case of a cone. Okay. And after that, I'll talk about the area of the base. So if I talk about the area of the base is a circular base. So area of a circular base will be pi r square. Right? So my total surface area will be pi r L plus pi r square. Take pi r common, you are left with L plus r. Pi r into L plus r. This will be your total surface area. And directly you can remember CSA plus area of top. Area of top is 0. Point shape. Point shape is there, no area there. Plus pi r square. Pi r square is the area of the bottom. As simple as that. So pi r square plus pi L r. Got it? So these three relationships which we have learned, very important today. Then this is the meaning of total surface area and curved surface area. After that we talk about the volume. So when I talk about the volume as you all know is the capacity of any object. How much material any object can hold, that is called the volume. Now the volume of a cylinder, you know what is the formula? Pi r square h. So for a cone, volume of cone is equal to 1 by 3 times of volume of cylinder, which is pi r square h. So if I have a cylinder and a cone whose radius and height are exactly equal, the ratio of their volumes will be what? 3:1. Okay, this will be the ratio. The ratio of cylinder is to the cone will be 3:1 because this is 1/3 time. Got it? So this is how it will be done. So cylinder's volume is going to be 3 times more than the volume of cone if both have same height and same radius. So from cylinder's formula, you can easily remember the volume of a cone. Got it? So these are your formulas. Let's solve some questions. So before I move ahead, let me tell you one thing, that all the problems, whatever you are facing, wherever you are studying, you will not face now. Doubts will be solved in each and every class. Notes and assignments after each and every session. Tests will be conducted in Vedantu in a regular interval of time. Competitive examinations like NTSE, KVPY, no need to go anywhere else. All will be done at Vedantu. Schedule, that is if you miss your class because of some reason, no need to panic. You can always watch the recording of that class and you will feel like you have not missed out on anything. And choice of language, that is Hindi or English. Other than that, you get unlimited live classes. Okay, all micro and crash courses are available to you. Micro courses are chapter specific courses. So suppose if you want to study a chapter, right? Now that chapter, suppose according to the syllabus, if you think it will take some time, you can do the chapter in advance by joining the micro course. So you can plan your own curriculum. You can study whatever chapter you want at whatever order you want. And crash courses are your revision course, performance report and personalized attention. So those who want to register, the link is in the description box. Okay, and also it will be the pinned comment. So description box, just go to the description box. There you will see the link, and it is also available in the pinned. It will be the pinned comment in the comment section. Going there, apply this coupon code GPE Pro. This coupon code will give you directly 20% off. Direct 20% off. You will get it. I will show you the details of the fee at the end of the class also. But let's do some questions first. First question, total surface area of a cone if slant height is given and diameter is given. So if diameter is given to me as 24 meters, I can clearly say radius is diameter by 2, which is 12 meters. Now total surface area, it is a direct formula question. What it is? Pi r into L plus r. So 22 by 7 into radius is 12 into slant height is 21 plus 12. So we'll be getting 22 by 7 into 12 into, this will be 33. So solve this part, you will get the answer as 1244.57. What is the answer? 1244.57 meter square. That is your answer for the total surface area of a cone. Simple, direct formula question it is. Okay, next question. A conical tent of height 10 meter and radius of its base is 24 meter. So there is a tent, and what shape? Conical shape. So let's say this is the conical shape tent we have, whose height is 10 meter. So height, as you all know, is perpendicular to the radius. So height is equal to 10 meter h, and the radius of its base is 24 meter. So radius is 24 and this height is equal to 10 meters. They are saying find the slant height of the tent. So our first one is very easy. I can say we know, sir, L square is equal to h square plus r square. So slant height will be equal to h is what? 24 whole square plus r is what? 10. Oh, sorry. Radius is, I have written it opposite over here, although will not make any changes. 10 square plus 24 square. So L square is 576 plus 100, which is 676. So L will be square root of 676, which is 26 meters. So the slant height, this will be 26 meters. Got it? The slant height is going to be 26 meters. The cost of the canvas required to make the tent, if the cost of 1 meter square canvas is rupees 70. So to get the cost, I need to first find out that how much canvas will be used. Yeah, right. First thing, obviously, whenever we have to find out the cost, we need to see how much material will be used. They have told here very clearly to canvas required to make the tent. So if I have to make the tent, beta, see, tent part will only depend on this thing, right? I don't have to include the base. Base will be the ground. So only that curved part I will use the canvas. Bottom I am not using. So I can say this is only CSA. So let's find out CSA of this cone, which is pi RL. So 22 by 7 into radius is what? Radius is 24 into slant height is 26. No cancellation. If you will solve it, you will get some answer. Then the cost, this is in meter square. Okay. So the cost of 1 meter square is rupees 70. So the cost of this much area will be 70 into this area that you are getting. Okay, so now you can see 7 on the 7 tens will get cancelled. So now you can multiply this and you can find out your answer, whatever it is. Okay, so the answer is around 137280. Answer is rupees 137280. This will be your answer. Okay, as simple as that. If you will do this calculation, it will be 13728 by 7 meter square. Okay, so this is how easy questions, right? I am telling you, beta. It is very easy. Only thing, if you understand the meaning of CSA, TSA and volume, questions are very easy. Next question. A joker's cap is in the form of a right circular cone of base radius 7 centimeter and height 24 centimeter. Find the area of the sheet required to make 10 such caps. So joker's cap is in the conical shape. ऐसा ही shape होता है joker's cap का, right? So they are saying base radius is 7 and the height is 24. So h is equal to 24 centimeter, radius is equal to 7 centimeter. I want to find out the area of the sheet required to make such 10 such caps. Now beta, you know कि यार, if I have to make this cap, the material will be used in this curved part, right? At the bottom there won't be any material. So curved part means only CSA. So I can say कि sir CSA, or I can say material or sheet required to make one cap. What I can say that sir sheet required to make one cap is equal to pi RL. Now height is given, radius is given. Let us find out slant height. L square is equal to h square plus r square, which is 24 square plus 7 square. which is 576 plus 49, which is equal to, sorry, L square is equal to 625. So L is equal to square root of 625, which is 25 centimeter. So it will be pi, which is 22 by 7, into radius is 7, into slant height is 25. So 7 to 7 got cancelled. 25 into 22 will be equal to 550. 550 centimeter square is the area of sheet required to make one cap. How many caps we want to make? We want to make 10 caps. So I can clearly say sheet required to make 10 caps will be equal to 550 into 10, which is equal to 5500 centimeter square. As simple as that. Right? So area sheet required to make one cap is equal to CSA. That multiplied with 10 will give you the number of the sheets required to make 10 caps. Right? So this will be your answer. Okay. Now before I move ahead, let me tell you one very good news that Vedantu students have done awesome in JEE advanced results. You can see top 5 in top 500, 11 in top 1000, 44 in top 2000, 121 in top 5000, and total 253 in top 10,000 all India rank. These are the brilliant students. You can also be here if you work hard and join Vedantu, right? So next question देखो बेटा, find the capacity in liters. अब देखो, what is the word? Focus on the word. Remember beta, one thing I would like to tell you all very clearly. In the questions of surface area and volume, it is very important to understand the question, to read the question carefully, and to imagine that what the question is trying to tell you and what will be used, CSA, TSA or volume. So for that, your understanding about CSA, TSA and volume should be clear. So that I have told you at the starting of the video. If you are not clear, please watch the starting of this video to understand what is CSA, what is TSA and what is volume. After that, all the questions you will be able to get it. So since it is talking about capacity, I know it is talking about volume. Simple, direct. But it is saying capacity in liters of a conical vessel with radius 7 centimeter, slant height 25 centimeter. So radius is 7 centimeter, slant height is 25 centimeter. The volume I know is equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h. Now I don't know h, but I can get it. L square is equal to r square plus h square. So 25 square is equal to 7 square plus h square. So 625 is equal to 49 plus h square. Shift 49 over there. H square is 625 minus 49. 576. So h is equal to 24. Right? Square root, same as the previous question. Same triplets over here. So now I can say, sir, here the volume will be 1 by 3 into pi into radius. What is radius? Radius is 7 into 7 into height, which is 24. So this 7 to this 7 got cancelled. 3 ones are 3 8s are. So 22 into 7 is equal to 154 into 8, which is equal to 1232 centimeter square. Sorry, centimeter cube. Centimeter cube. One more thing. The units of volume is cubic units. Centimeter cube, meter cube, like that. Okay. So this is the volume. This is the volume of this conical vessel 1232 centimeter cube. Now for the conversion to liter beta, let me tell you this thing very clearly. Whenever we do conversion to liter, remember this thing. 1 liter is equal to 1000 centimeter cube. 1 liter is equal to 1000 centimeter cube. So if I have to convert the centimeter cube into liters, so I can say ki sir, how much will be 1 centimeter cube? If I will see here, see what I will say ki sir, 1000 centimeter cube is equal to 1 liter. So 1 centimeter cube will be how much? It will be 1 by 1000 liters. So I can say 1232 centimeter cube will be equal to 1232 into 1 by 1000. So that means we need to divide by 1000. So which will be 1.232 liters. What it will be? 1.232 liters. So this conversion, do remember 1 liter is equal to 1000 centimeter cube. Okay, chalo, let's go ahead beta now. Next question is this. The height of a cone is 15 centimeter. If its volume is 1570 centimeter cube, find its diameter of its base. Now, not a difficult question. Height is given over here, right? You can say height is given as 15 centimeter and they have given me the volume. Volume is given as 1570 centimeter cube. Now volume is 1 by 3 into pi into r square into h is equal to 1570. So 1 by 3, pi is what? 22 by 7 into r square into h is 15 is equal to 1570. So r square will be equal to, listen carefully, 1570. This 3 into 7 will go in the numerator and this 22 and 15 will come in the denominator. Right. Now I can say the 3 ones are 3 5 times. Okay. And is it divisible by 11? No. So let's divide by 5. 5 ones are. And this will be equal to 5 threes are. Then 5 one more times. And 5 fours are 20. 314. 314 and 22 are the divisible. 22 1 times 9 94. No. So I think in decimal are we getting? I think are we getting in decimal? 1570 centimeter cube. Height is given as 15. So radius are we getting in decimal? Okay, they are taking it as 3.14. Okay, it is told to me na. Oh, sorry, I didn't see. They are telling me to use the pi as 3.14. So whenever they are saying na use pi as 3.14, it will definitely make your calculations easier. How it will make your calculations easier? See, just now you saw that pi 22 by 7, I am not getting anything correct. But if I take pi as 3.14 into r square into 15 is equal to 1570. So I will get r square as 1570 into 3 divided by 15 into 3.14. Right? Correct. अब बेटा देखना ध्यान से, listen carefully. What I'll do, if I remove the decimal, so here in the other part I have to multiply with 100. Why? Because there were 2 digits after the decimal. Because there were 2 digits after the decimal. Now see how easy it will become. So decimal has been removed now. Let me remove the decimal. So 314 and 1570, if you will see, it will directly cancel each other. This is 1 time, this is 5 times. 5 ones are 5 threes are 3 to 3 got cancelled. So you got r square is equal to 100. So r is equal to 10 centimeter. But the question is asking me diameter. So diameter is double of radius, which is 2 into 10, which is 20 centimeter. So always now these kind of mistakes please don't make in the exam. Question is asking diameter, you are leaving the question at radius, so they might cut half marks or something, which is free ka marks. You should not leave those kind of marks. So always write at the starting, acha, diameter is asking, so that you'll always get to know ki, okay, my answer should be in the diameter form. So always you'll remember. So these are some small tricks which you start applying whenever you give any next test, any sample paper you give. These tricks if you'll apply na, it will make you make your silly mistakes quite less. Got it? Okay, chalo. Now this I am giving you as your homework question. Okay, a heap of wheat is in the form of a cone. Diameter is given, height is given. Find its volume. You can easily find out. Next part, the heap is to be covered by canvas to protect it from rain. Find the area of canvas required. Now you have to tell me what you will be using to get the area of the canvas. That is your homework question. Do let me know what will be your answer in the comment section below. Okay beta, so as I have told you at the starting also that you can join Vedantu subscription course. The link is given in the description box as well as it will be the pinned comment in the comment section. Go there, just click on grade 9, your CBSE 2021 and here on get subscription. After that you will see a choice for 1 month, 3 months or 6 months. You can choose any one you want. Just before this proceed to pay, in this enter coupon code write GPE Pro. What it will do, it will reduce your price by 20 percentage. 20 percentage का direct फायदा you will get. Okay, you can do it for 1 month. This coupon code is valid for 3 months also and for 6 months also, right? And don't be afraid by this price. This price is inclusive of all the subjects: maths, physics, chemistry, biology, SST and English, all 6 subjects. And if you want to reduce this price more further, go for the course of 6 months, because if you will see this price divided by 6, you will see price per month is around 1500, which is what you can clearly see over here. So the difference you can see, the more number of months you will take the course for, the better you will get the package price per month will reduce. Got it, beta? So link is in the description box and the coupon code is GPE Pro for 20% off. Got it? So this is all from my side. A very easy topic, nothing much in this part. Just go through CSA, TSA volume concept properly and understand the question. Rest all, imagine if you are facing some difficulty, draw the diagram, you will get everything correct. Got it, beta? So this is all from my side. Thank you so much. I'll see you soon. Till then, bye bye, sayonara, khuda hafiz, and don't forget to like the video, share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you are new here. Okay, ciao. Bye bye, sayonara, khuda hafiz to all of you. Bye bye.